Wow, may na-discover kaming secret place. Ay, secret place. Ang ganda naman dito umupo.
Asan ka na kate?
Hindi nila alam dito, no?
Pumasok ka kate. Wala akong kate.
Walang ka dito. Kawawa ka naman.
Ang ganda naman ng aking place. Wala si kate.
Sana ba yun?
Ewan, di pa yata pinanganak.
Ay,
Ang ganda dito.
handa mo ito yun, ah.
When? Kasi it's hidden.
Yeah, it's
People thought
hidden.
it's a private.
Maybe it's a private.
And it's good someone opens it management. Mayat niya. It's windy, you know.
Pindas gani.
You and nature lover, you will like it.
Mabalintag meriendan.